Hey folks, I'm finishing up in my kitchen, headed back to the river. I want to let y'all know and show you what I bottled today. So hang around and take a look at Peach Fresno. Let's get to the kitchen. Hey folks, this is Phil from Alabama Hot Sauce. I'm at the end of my day, and as you can see behind me there, that's the mess that's left at the end of the day. And now I got to go wash dishes, but I thought I would do a little something. This camera that I'm looking into runs constantly when I'm in here preparing sauce. What that means is that every single day that I've prepared hot sauce in this area, this camera's running. So I have literally hundreds of little flash drives loaded with 2, 3, 4, sometimes 5-hour videos that show my entire process of making hot sauce. Now, I've also got, I'm showing you now another camera I've set over here to show you the location of this. This is a camera that's just attached to one of my shelves, a utility shelf, and I stick the camera in it when I get in here, and I turn it on, and I pay no attention to it. Now, I'll do two things with this camera in the future. I may start stepping up to it and giving you some little shorts, telling you about how my day went and what I did. Today I made hot sauces. They're wonderful. I did some blending. Tomorrow I'll be doing filling. But I also may go back into the archives of these videos, start looking at some of them, and digging out some really, really good content. And if I am able to find it, I'll edit it and turn it into videos for you to see right here on YouTube. I've done that a little bit in the past. I've used some of this content, but mostly I just store them away and I hold them in case I would ever need them. So in addition to my standard record keeping I have for all the quality parameters and the regulatory requirements for hot sauce, I have a video record of everything I did. So if need be, I can go back to it. Anyway, I wanted to show you this. It's been a long day. I now got to go wash dishes, which in a previous visit to this camera, I think I told you guys that's something I really hate to do. At the end of the day, but I got to go do it. When sauce making's over, I look forward to getting back on my oxygen. Those of you that know me well know that I have COPD, so I wear oxygen. So at the end of the day, I look forward to it. Anyway, I want to show you my little camera location, tell you what I might do, and prepare you for the fact that I'm going to be stepping up to this spot more often and showing you or giving you my impression of the end of my day. Anyway, Phil, AlabamaHotSauce.com. Thank you. If you don't mind, subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Ring the bell. Thank you, folks. I'll see you next time.
Hey, folks, thank you for joining me. I'd appreciate it if you push the logo on my apron and subscribe to my channel. While you're here, I've made a couple of suggestions for videos I think you might like. Watch them and see what you think. Thank you. The Alabama Hot Sauce Way.